Hi folks, SignForce often gets requests to send out letters which the client themselves will install. We always do it with a marked template, which you can see in front of you. This is what we call a marked template or a marked pounce. And we're now going to give a quick demonstration on how to use the template and exactly how you install the sign. Tabo over here is our demonstrator. Okay, so we've got, as you can see, we've got the template in front of us. First thing we'll do is we'll take a tape measure and we'll use the tape measure to measure on the left and the right to make sure that we've got the sign centered or wherever it needs to be. We do that on both sides of the sign. You can see he's taking it not from the letter but from the block of the sign, because we've always got a block around it to make sure that it's straight. It's very simple. Once we've done that and we're happy that we've got it measured correctly, we then take the spirit level and we put the spirit level along either the top or the bottom to make sure that the sign has got the dot in the correct spot. That way we know, or the bubble at least, that way we know that the sign is now straight. Once we've got all that done, we now have to secure the pounce along the wall. To do that, we take some masking tape and we use the masking tape to hold the pounce in place. We secure it as best we can, generally top, bottom, and sides, because you don't want it moving while you're busy working with it. Once we've used the masking tape and we've got the pounce inside, on this particular for this particular pounce, you can see that there are two markings. First, we're going to do for a letter that's going flat against the wall. What we would have done is, or we will provide a pounce that you need to cut out the corners so that you can see where they are. This particular pounce is for the letter R, which will be, you'll see, it basically fits on the pounce. So now, in order for that to fit on the wall and to see where we need to go, we mark the pounce using a pen. You could use a pencil, you could use chalk. As you can see, we go in and we mark the pounce. The reason for this is that when we actually remove the pounce, we can put the letter in and we can make sure that we're in the right area. We do that on all the corners because that way we make sure that the sign is as straight as possible. We would then take, for the flat letter, we bring the letter. The letter will be provided with double-sided tape, as is on the back of this one. Please take the tape off. You remove the backing of the double-sided tape. And then once you've removed the backing from the double-sided tape, you would very carefully place the letter into the template, use the big one again, so that you make sure that it's in the right spot before you press it down. Once it's down, the double-sided tape will hold it. If the letters are heavy, it's also a good idea to use any of the good silicone products like Sika or Den Braven High-Tack or No Nails. Those are all available in South Africa. We're not sure it's available in the rest of the world, but those will make sure that once the double-sided tape has used its life, the silicone will actually bond it even better. If the letters need to be drilled, please take the R away there. If the letters need to be drilled, you'll see that we've got marked points on the. Thank you very much. On the paper, we then use the drilling machine. Basically line it up with the hole, and you would drill into the wall so that you can get your, thank you, and that one, you would then be able to drill the hole. You would then remove the pounce and the pins would go into the holes. Thank you very much, and if you need any signs with or without templates, which SignForce wouldn't provide without, get hold of SignForce and we will give you some assistance.